Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Nails on a Dime. I'm Janaya, and today I'm gonna be doing a special video, a Gucci inspired set. So I know in my previous video I talked about nail tips, easy coffin nail tips. I found me some, y'all. It's from Not Polish. I'll leave the link to the website below. And yeah, so if you just look, you see how like you can cut it down and it's still coffin. So it's saving you a whole bunch of time from filing, and you're just gonna get that perfect shape. So like I said, I'm gonna leave it in the description box below. So here I'm just applying the glue, just a little bit of glue, apply the tips, you know. And I had already previously prepped by pushing the cuticle back and removing the shine. So here I'm just removing the shine from the actual nail tip. You don't have to do that step. It's just easier for me to see exactly what I'm doing and shaping. And here I'm just blending the tip to the cuticle, and I'm gonna just move on to dehydrating and prime. I got my nail polish remover from Sally's, and it's just pure acetone. And then I'm gonna dehydrate with Young Nails Protein Balm. And here I decided, after the fact, that I actually wanted my pinky to be stiletto instead. I had lost my nail clippers, so I just had to go and just use whatever I could find, and them scissors is all that I could find. So here we're going to move on to the acrylic portion. And just be mindful that when you are using dark colored acrylics, it will stain your nails. So just always remember to put that thin layer of clear before you actually apply the black or just any dark color. And I usually don't lean towards Mia Secret. I usually use Valentino, but I just had this Mia Secret black powder, so I just used it. And it's like very chalky, like very thick. Like, I don't know, like you could just tell by the way I was working with the acrylic. It was just very like difficult, and you could just see it's very clumpy and lumpy. I thought it was because I was patting the acrylic on the paper towel, so I had stopped doing it, but it was still like chalky. So I don't know, y'all. I don't know. So with that being said, I don't want y'all to judge my application process. I know there's bead methods and so on and so forth, but for the sake of this video, like, I'm just applying. For this part, I really just started playing around and just experimenting. So yeah, this part is just a little bit messy, and that's why everybody says trust the process. Okay, so just by looking at this, it just looks like a hot mess, but you always got to trust the process when it comes to nails. And then for the green, I didn't really have like that perfect shade that I wanted, so I went ahead and mixed the black with the green, and I just made that darker shade to just fit with the whole set. And just always be mindful with the black, you want to encapsulate like everything. You always got to go back over with clear acrylic. I didn't put it in the video, but off camera I did go back over with clear acrylic on all of the fingers. Okay, so now I'm using my electric file to just smooth out the surface and everything. But this is where it kind of messed up. Off camera, I did go back over with my hand file to just smooth out everything more. And as you can see, like the lines in the actual black acrylic actually showed after I put gel on top. So I would just say don't go like crazy with filing like how I do, and just, you know, yeah. But for here, you want to seal the cuticles. I don't know if you can really see how I'm doing it, but you want to have the file at an angle to where you're not cutting any clients. And then also, my secret to having like that sharp nail tip, or the top of the nail being real sharp, is to take that file and just file like the very end of the nail. So as you see, like my nails are very sharp at the top, if that makes sense. But here I'm just really applying the jewels. You know how that goes. So I'm gonna just fast forward to the chain part. And I got my chain from Wish. I'll leave that in the description box. But I actually went over with the nail glue twice to really make sure that that chain is not going nowhere. But the nail glue is from Mia's Secret. I'll leave the link in the description box. It's from Amazon. Y'all, get you that. It's like bomb for the most part. But I'm gonna find something better. But it's affordable and it'll get you through. So as you see, I'm really struggling with those cuticle nipples. Like, the chain will not break for nothing. Like, anyway, so I'm very indecisive. I didn't know where I wanted to put the jewel. So I went ahead and put gel on to just see like what the set would really look like. And then I just decided where I wanted to put that Gucci diamond. And through it all, my phone died, y'all. So me actually applying the gem was not recorded. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Any comments, suggestions, anything, leave it down in the comments down below and I'll respond or make a video on it. Thank you guys for watching.